Hello, welcome to this is Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito ang ating reading for collective. Take only what resonates, guys. Collective love reading, wala tayong specific zodiac sign. Ang importante yung reading, kung makarelate ka, makaresonate ka, maaaring ang reading na ito ay para sa'yo. Kung hindi ka nakaka-relate sa mga sinasabi ko, maaaring hindi para sa'yo ang reading. Okay lang yon, check mo na lang yung ibang videos, okay? Kung gusto mo, pwede ka magpa-personal reading, Jane Tarot Reader. I-search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. And meron akong TikTok, Unicorn Princess Tarot. Please do check it out. This is for the sign of... Ay, sorry, wala palang sign, no? Collectives po ito. Kung may babanggitin ako zodiac sign, energies lang yon at hindi yung pinaka-zodiac sign mo or nung person mo. So, this is your main energy. Knight of Pentacles. And the Five of Cups. Tell me more. Nakita tayo ng kalungkutan sa'yo regarding the person na talagang minamahal mo. With the Knight of Pentacles, maaaring may mga tao sa paligid mo na hindi ka masaya dito sa mga taong to. Nakikita natin you are already stable person. Maybe marami kang sources of income or marami kang friends or family na willing tumulong sa'yo. They are there to support you. You are a very successful person. Pero regarding dito sa love, maybe nandito ka pa sa stage na ikaw ay nag-move on. Now, kunin natin yung energy ng person. Nakakonect mo. Person nakakonect mo pagdating sa love. One last shuffle. Okay. Yan, nakakita tayo ng problema sa inyong dalawa. Six of Swords, itong person na to is currently nagmo-move on din siya sa mga bagay na parang mahirap nang ayusin. This person, nakikita natin yung paglayo, pag-iwas niya sa'yo. Nakakita ko ng love mula dito sa taong to. Hindi ko ito kukunin, masyadong marami. Mahal ka na itong taong to eh. Six of Cups, this person is like a person in the past. With the Five of Pentacles, I feel like there's a distraction. So, if this is a past person, nakakita tayo ng bagong person na kakonect niya ngayon. And I'm feeling like nagbibigay ito ng kalungkutan sa'yo kasi hindi mo akalain. Maaring naging shocking para sa'yo itong pangyayaring ito or might be unti-unti mo na lang nilelet go or kinakalimutan yung pagmamahal or emotion na nararamdaman mo para sa kanya. Ano yung emotions na nararamdaman mo para sa person na ito? Mahal mo siya eh. Kaya ka lumalayo, kaya ka umiiwas. For some of you, meron ka ding options. And you do have here the King of Wands. And the Ten of Swords, masakit para sa'yo. Yung nangyayaring ending para sa inyo. Pero feeling mo yung person na ito is masaya na. So, nililet go mo na lang din. Ini-end mo na lang kung ano yung meron sa inyong dalawa. Kasi feeling mo masaya naman na siya. Yan, nag-focus ka na lang sa pagiging masaya mo lang rin. No? Gusto mo na kalimutan yung sakit, yung lungkot na nararamdaman mo para sa kanya. Kung meron ka mang kakonek na iba, maaaring hindi siya kasing timbang ng pagmamahal na nararamdaman mo dito sa person na ito in the past. Naging lamang yung nakaraan. Anong emotion ng taong ito para sa'yo? One last shuffle. You do have here the Three of Pentacles, the Strength card. Bottom of the deck is the Death card. I can see a new beginning dito sa person na ito. And maaaring nagkakaroon nga ng ending sa inyo. And I can see a new relationship, new connection. Yun ay dahil yun ang tumanggap sa kanya. Yun yung free. You know? And might be with the Strength card. Nagmamatiga siya dito sa connection na ito. I feel like na-appreciate niya yung mga bagay na nasa harapan niya ngayon. Kasi wala ka eh. You know, so kung ano na lang nasa harapan niya, yun na lang. Sige, yun na lang muna. Okay? So, what will happen in the near future for this connection? In the near future para sa inyong connection. Three of Swords is here, Page of Pentacles, Eight of Cups, Three of Cups. Okay, hindi ko to in-expect. In the near future para sa inyong connection. The Hierophant, the World, Ace of Wands, and the Ten of Swords. I can see distance sa inyong dalawa na maaaring mag-end in the near future. I can see reconciliation, but there's a presence of third-party situation. So, maaaring bumalik or dumating ito sa buhay mo na may isa pang person na involved dito with the Three of Cups. Pero babalik ito. This person is going to reach out with the Ace of Wands. Magkakaroon ng new beginning and I don't get it. Gusto kong malaman yung kamusta ba, yung connection niya with someone else. There's this Ten of Wands. I can see obligasyon, responsibilidad. A Ten of Cups. Can you see this? It's 10, 10, 10. Tatlong 10 yan, guys. Ten of Swords, Ten of Wands, and the Ten of Cups. And that is actually sa isang tarot deck ay 4 lang ang 10. Pero 3 na tong nagpakita. And especially with the World, this is completion. I feel like itong person na ito is going to make a decision regarding do sa connection niya with someone. And pwede magkaroon ng ending dito eh. Yeah. Maaaring itong person na nasa harapan niya ngayon with the Eight of Cups is tetestingin niya lang eh. And once na matest niya na, naramdaman niya na ay ayoko pala, hindi ko pala feel, atong person na ito is gagawa ng changes regarding doon. Ano yung mga changes na gagawin niya? Temperance is here. You know, the energy of parang titikim lang ng iba. Ganun. And once na tikman niya na yan, saka siya gagawa ng desisyon na with the 8 of Wands. I mean, magugulat ka na dito sa person na ito with the 9 of Wands eh. Sa mga magiging action niya. Na parang pinagsisisihan, may ganong energy. Pagsisisihan niya. And with the 5 of Swords, I feel like this person is coming back. And kung ano man itong past or yung person na kakonect niya ngayon will soon magkakaroon ng pag-alis or paghihiwalay. And then you do have here the Empress. It feels like iba pa rin kasi yung attraction, yung emosyon na nararamdaman niya para sa'yo. And babalik itong taong to. You do have here the Temperance. With the 4 of Wands. You're no longer waiting. Hindi ka na naghihintay. But with the Temperance, kusang dadating eh. Itong 4 of Wands, which is a stable connection for you. The Star, this is what you want. Ito yung gusto mo. Ito yung pangarap mo. 5 of Swords is here. Hinayaan mo siya. Nakikita natin na hinayaan mo siya. Nilet go mo siya. But this person is coming back. This person is coming back. Okay? Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all. Sana nakarelate kayo, nakaresonate kayo. Please do like and subscribe to our channel. Unicorn Princess Tarot, Madam PTV, Virgo, Philippines. Madam P Vlogs, Libra, Philippines. I love you all, guys. Thank you for watching. And bye-bye.